Okay, spinach lessons check-in. Which statement is true about light? Light is matter that becomes part of the food molecules found in plants like glucose. Light is not a source of matter in the food molecules found in plants such as glucose. Which of the following is the best reason for your answer for question 1? The atoms that make up light are not found in food molecules. Light is a form of energy, it is not matter. Light cannot be created or destroyed, so it must be a source of food molecules. Light molecules enter the leaves and are used for photosynthesis. Below, we have a picture of food molecules, water, hydroponic plant food, and we also have the composition of air. You will use these to answer the next few questions. And also, obviously, use your notebook. Why is air considered a source of parts of the food molecules found in plants? So, why is air considered parts of the food molecules found in plants? Food molecules are found in the composition of air. Molecules in the air contain atoms of elements that are also found in food molecules. Air molecules bond together to become the food molecules. Air enters the plant above the surface through the leaves. Question 4. Which parts of the food molecules might come from the hydroponic plant food? So you're going to want to compare the hydroponic plant food with the food molecules. So again, which parts of the food molecules might come from the hydroponic plant food? Protein and amino acid, water and oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur, iron and calcium. Spinach lab data. You can take a look at our data table here. You have minutes, you have carbon dioxide measurement, humidity percentage, oxygen measurement, and then light. Based on the above spinach lab data, what are the inputs in the system? Spinach and light, carbon dioxide and oxygen, water or humidity and oxygen, light and carbon dioxide. Based on the above spinach lab data, what are the outputs in the system? Spinach and carbon dioxide and water, humidity, and oxygen, and spinach. Which of the following was a control that was kept the same between all lab groups during the floating spinach lab? So that's with the discs. Which one was kept the same? The control. The wavelength of the light, intensity or wattage of the light, distance from the light, or number of spinach discs tested, which was the same. Which of the following was the dependent variable in the spinach disc experiment? How quickly the spinach photosynthesized, the temperature of water, the size of the spinach leaf, or the amount of the baking soda? 9. What structure of the leaf allowed us to observe the rate of photosynthesis in spinach disc leaves? The xylem allowed water to travel up the roots. The stomata opened to let oxygen gas out, allowing bubbles to form on the bottom of the leaf. The chlorophyll allowed us to measure how green the leaf was. So which structure allowed us to observe the rate of photosynthesis in the disc leaves, the little ones that we made? Number 10, how does liquid water enter the plant as an input? Through the chloroplast to the chlorophyll, through the stomata, through the roots to the xylem.